Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here. So today I'm going to be doing another impromptu review video for you guys. I am headed out for a night on the town. I got my friend Marissa here from Florida. She's visiting me. I just finished finals and baby, let me tell you, your girl treated herself. She treated herself to a couple of nice things, and one of those things is the brand new NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. This is her here. I got the shade Marquise or medium deep 5. I am gonna be testing this out for you guys tonight. We're going out for drinks at the St. Regis. We're gonna go have dinner, and then we'll be back and I'm gonna show you guys the final, look and everything. I think I'm gonna probably get to wear this foundation for maybe like 5 to 6 hours, which I think is a decent amount of time to really figure out whether or not I like it or not. So if you want to see how this all ends up working out, please keep watching. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The button's down there. Go ahead and click it, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are _ it's Gilly. Let's get to it. This is the foundation here, okay? I'm just gonna open it up for you guys. It comes in a really nice, soft, velvety box. This foundation does retail for $40 American dollars. And it comes in this really nice bottle. Like, I don't know, I really kind of like this bottle. I think this is really, really fun. It is a squeeze tube, and I like this a lot. It can just stand like somewhere. Super nice bottle, love it. I'm gonna tell you guys some specs about this foundation. I got my iPad here ready for y'all. So this foundation is supposed to be a 16-hour oxidation resistant foundation that balances oil while maintaining a hydrated skin-like finish. It protects you from pollution and blue light. It says this is full coverage. It's a matte finish. This is liquid foundation. They say that this is supposed to be for all skin types on Sephora. They also say that it has microalgae and biohyaluronic acid, which is supposed to help absorb excess sebum, which is that oil that your pores produce. So, here you go. It says it's transfer resistant, sweat proof. We're gonna have to see, is this really what they're talking about? I am kind of excited to use this. I've actually never been able to buy a NARS foundation before because they've always been more on the like dewier, like natural skin type, and I don't have that. I have oily skin, and they did have that one tinted type moisturizer one, but it didn't really work out for me still, so I'm super excited to try this. This does come in a pretty good amount of shades. Let's see, I think this comes in about 36 shades, so that's pretty good, and they're all still the same NARS shades that we all know and love. So if you already have your NARS match, then you're good to go when it comes to this product. I'm gonna be doing my makeup standing up just because I'm ready to go. I need to get ready fast and I don't have time to, do all of that filming setup. I hope this is cool. I think my phone camera is really working well, so that's why I got the one with the 3 cameras. I'm gonna go ahead and do some skin prep. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay B6 Vitamin Infusion Complexion Prep Spray. Haven't used this in a while, but I love it. It's a really good product, so we're just gonna go ahead and give ourselves a little spritz. Oh no, something happened to this. Oh no, I think something happened to my bottle because that just sprayed. Okay, so now that has settled into my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty True Matte Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. I love this primer. I think it's so great. Like, literally, you guys, I bought this primer this year, and I don't go through primers this fast because I use so many of them, but I go back to this a lot. This is really like one of my tried and trues. It reminds me of a mix of like the Becca Ever Matte Primer and the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer in one. Super good, which is funny because that's like the combo that I used to use and love like a lot. So I love this primer so much. So I'm gonna use it with this foundation today. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with this foundation and this big brush from Juvia's Place. Y'all know I like to apply my foundations with brushes, so that's what we're gonna do today. I'm just gonna do a squeeze like this much. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell you how much I use because this doesn't have a pump, so I can't actually measure it. but I'm hoping that this much is enough. Let's go ahead and see. I couldn't swatch these in stores, and I'm really hoping this is my shade. I'm pretty sure this is my shade. Definitely my shade. This matches so freaking well. What is happening? Wow. Oh crap, guys, I just realized that I forgot to set my primer with powder. But you know what? If like this works out, that'll just really show you like that maybe this is a good foundation, because you don't even need to do the whole like powder under primer trick. I completely forgot, just because like this is a weird little setup with standing and all of that stuff, but I like this a lot. I'm gonna come and show you guys like a close-up of what my skin looks like right now. Wow. So yeah, so this is what my face is currently looking like with this foundation. I'm kind of really impressed. Like, I think this looks really good. Oh, wow, NARS already like incredibly impressed. Yeah, let's continue on with the face. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna be using the Pat McGrath concealer, and this one I have it in the shade MD23. Go ahead and give ourselves a little concealer. Love this concealer. If you guys haven't seen my review on this yet, you should definitely go check it out. It's really great. Like, I think this is like one of the best concealers to come out this year, after she came out with that foundation last year, because that was like my foundation of the year, right? But I'm starting to think this NARS might give Auntie Pat a run for her money. I am, like I said, I'm thoroughly impressed already with this foundation. I think it just looks great. Okay, I don't have anything bad to say yet. So, okay, that concealer is looking great. Let's go ahead and set her before we start creasing. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This one is just in the plain translucent color. And I'm gonna be using this little tiny Fenty sponge to set under my eyes. Then we're gonna use the other Laura Mercier powder in the medium deep to set the rest of the face. Alrighty, so taking this huge fluffy brush and my Too Faced Born This Way multi-use powder in the shade Shy, I'm going to go ahead and buff this all into my face and make sure we're all nice and blended. I know this may seem like a lot of powder, but we do have this whole mask situation going on that I am trying to avoid, you know, messing up, which I inevitably always do, so that's always fun. So that's why I'm using a lot of powders, just to like set everything and make sure nothing is slipping or sliding. I mean, this foundation does say that it's transfer proof, so I just kind of, you know, want to give it a little bit of a test today by wearing this mask and being out on these streets. Please wear your mask if you're not. You know, that's just not on brand if you don't wear your mask. Okay guys, so my friend is here. I gotta hurry this up. Let's go ahead and just set our face really quickly, and then I'm gonna do eyes. I'm gonna do my lips, okay? So for lips, I'm gonna be using this Kylie lipstick in the shade Gorge, and then doing some Colored Rain Sugar for a little bit of an ombre look. So this is what we're looking like right now. Just want you guys to see one final look. how this foundation is wearing. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my outfit. I'll show you guys this outfit. I may take you guys along on our little journey, show you little snippets here and there, but rest assured I will be back tonight to give you guys my full thoughts and opinions on how this foundation wore for the night, whether it stood in this heat that we're going through right now in Salt Lake City. So, you know, stay tuned. I'll be right back. Well, in this video, I'll be right back to show you the end product and what I think about it later on tonight. Alrighty guys, so here is what my face is currently looking like. It is 9 p.m. so I've had my face on for about 4 hours already, and I think that this looks good. I'm sorry about the noise, but yeah, this is looking very, very good. I am thoroughly impressed. NARS, I don't know, guys. Only a couple more hours left. I don't know what could go wrong, but this looks good. Like, as it looks good. Also, check out this really cute shirt. I got this shirt from J. Crew. It's giving me Versace vibes without Versace prices. So that's really cute. These earrings I got from like Target, love them. And I'm just wearing some really nice like jeans from Madewell. Super cute, very casual, very chic. We're living our best lives right now, just gonna say. Alrighty, hey guys, so I'm finally back from my little night out. It was fun. We had good food, we had drinks, and baby, like, it was a great time. It's 12:24 a.m. so I've had this foundation on since 5 p.m. I just want you guys to currently see right now like what my face is looking like, and tomorrow morning I'm going to give you guys my full thoughts and opinions on this NARS foundation. I think y'all are going to be really excited about what I have to say about this foundation, so stay tuned. I'm just really tired right now and I want to go take a shower and like wash my face, so I will update you all tomorrow morning about what I think in full of this foundation. I'll be back. All right guys, I'm back. It's the next day. I am wearing the foundation again today for you guys. I just wanted you guys to see it in a little bit better lighting than last night, because I think, look, y'all, I was drunk. Just straight up, not gonna lie to y'all, I had a little bit to drink. We had a real good evening out last night. Like, for real, 10 out of 10. One of the best nights I've had in Salt Lake City. We just had a really good time. So I'm just, you know, gonna have to say that, which is why I really didn't have enough words to explain this foundation to you guys. So this is it here. I'm telling you guys, right now, this is the best foundation I've ever put on my face. I feel like that's really dramatic. Maybe I say that a lot, but this foundation really looks good. And I feel like last night my camera wasn't really doing my face justice. I'm gonna insert another clip of me from last night. I just don't think the camera was really catching how good my skin looks. I did not blot all day long. Do you know how hard that is for me to do? Like, to not blot? I blot all the time. Definitely think that a lot of claims about this foundation were true. So I think they said they were like non-oxidizing. For sure it did not oxidize. It stayed the exact same shade the entire night. Loved it. They said that this also doesn't transfer. It doesn't transfer on like your finger if you touch it, but on a mask with just like really hard abrasive touching and rubbing, it definitely does transfer. So I think that that's just, you know, a mask, so potato. Definitely think that it held up to being matte. Whatever ingredients they used in here, those ingredients I told you guys about earlier, I can't remember, I think it was hyaluronic acid and some kind of microalgae. That was bomb, because I'm telling you, my face was matte. I asked Marissa, because you know Marissa also has oily skin like me, and she was like, yeah, no, this foundation really is it. So in conclusion, you know, if you've got a spare 40 bucks, you wanted a new foundation to treat yourself in these sad quarantine times, I highly recommend this NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation, because it really is the bomb.com. And that's really all that I have to say. I just think it was great foundation. End of. And in case you're wondering, like I said, my shade is Marquise medium deep 5, in case you think you're like the same shade as me. And then before I wrap up this video, I do just want to tell you guys about 2 other products that I got. One of them was great, the other one was not. So this Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk mascara, not it. Like, I think that they had a really good idea with this mascara, but the brush is awful, and I felt like I got raccoon eyes from wearing it. It just smeared throughout the entire day that I was wearing it. So this is gonna be returned. Sorry, I like Charlotte Tilbury stuff a lot, but this was not it, so sad. But you know what was it? Was Auntie Pat's Dark Star mascara. So Pat McGrath really did her thing with this mascara. Let me show y'all. First of all, the tubing, come on, gold, it's gorgeous, it's worth every penny. This mascara is $30. It hurts. You hate to see it. But the brush in here is the type of brush that I like for my mascaras. So it just lifts, it lengthens, it gives you volume. I absolutely love this mascara, and I think it's great. If you were in the market for a luxurious mascara, I would definitely go ahead and, you know, give this one a purchase. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. The button's down there. Y'all already know where it is. Don't make me say it again. Just go ahead and subscribe. As well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter for more behind the scenes content, more pictures of me just living my best life, because that's really what I'm about. And yeah, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you guys next time.